Hello. This is how you can record a lesson, using Microsoft Teams itself. I will also show you ways to share it with your students. Click on Meet up here. Click on the 3 ellipses here. Click on Start Recording. Now you are recording. Click here to start sharing your screen. Click here to allow students to listen to audio, especially if you are sharing a video clip with them, or a PowerPoint presentation, which includes audio. Choose the Desktop Screen option. Now, whatever happens on your screen is recorded, including your narration. When ready, you can stop recording from here. Now, you can leave the meeting. In your internet browser, enter office.com. Search for Stream. Under My Content, choose Videos. This is the video we just recorded. It is marked as visible to private. This means that, even if I share it to students in Teams, they cannot view it if they are not members of my class. To fix this, click here, and then choose Update Video Details. Tick here, so that anyone with an iLearn account can now view your video. Now you can share this video. Click on the New Conversation button. Then click on the Format icon. This will give you access to more tools. Click on the Link icon. Now enter the text that will be clickable, and paste the video address you had copied. If you wish, you can post this same video to multiple channels, like this. Click here. Click here. Choose the class, and then post in the channel you desire, in our case, General. Click on Update. Now the video is accessible for 2 classes. Another option is to download the video from Stream. Click on the dots and choose Download Video. The video will be found in your Downloads folder. Give it a proper name. Next, open OneDrive. Upload the video. With the upload ready, click on the Share Link button. Untick the Allow Editing option here. Click on Copy Link. Click on the Copy button. Find your team. Repeat the procedure we had done earlier with the link from Stream.